What's all the fuss, little one? I know what it is. You clever little girl. Look, a baby egg. Oh. These are the chicks. What are they? 5 months old. Silkie chicks, the 3 little girls, and we've got an egg. 31 grams. Hello, Frankie. How they on me. Still a few good ones on there, I don't know if I can get them. How are we going to do this? Give it a wiggle. There's one. Fallen down today. It looks a nice one actually. Bit green. We'll have him. Two. How you doing, Lizzo? Can I get that one that's fallen? Oh, he's a goner, I think. Squidgy, isn't he? Lizzo, yeah, it's alright. There you go. You can have him. We've got loads of pears. So I've already stewed some and jarred them. And I'm currently juicing some. That's the juicer, which is like a cold press. And here we have lots of pear juice. And also there's a lemon in there as well. Trying to keep the colour, but you can see it's going already. And what you end up is just dry bits. Okay, so we're going to be drinking and eating pears for a while. The trouble is with pears, they all come at once and then they rot from the inside. They go rotten, which is annoying. There we are. About 30 pears, 2 litres of pear juice. Okay. Apples next, see all the windfalls. You're getting a bit fed up of pear juice. Pear bits. Yeah. Anyway, there we go. You'll get through it. What are you, Chucks? Oh, disappointed. Lots of windfalls and still plenty on the tree. Okay, well, we've got the juicer out. We might as well do a few apples while we're at it. Okay, wash them, chop them in quarters, still going. I'm going to try apples now.
Okay.
I've got a bit of citric acid in there. Are they soft or hard?
What? Apples are hard.
Are they? Oh, okay. Which ones are hard? There we go, that's 2 apples. 200 ml. Okay, I've run out of lemons, so I'm going to use citric acid. Give it a shake. that's half already. That's good. Okay, thank you very much. Did get blocked at one point. I had to clean this a little bit. Look at all that froth. There we go. A whole bottle, litre of apple juice from Windfalls. Look what I found. Oh, that naughty little lily. She's got a little cash. I thought she wasn't laying. She obviously was. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9 days. Little madam. I wonder what she's up to. Is she going to go broody in there then? I don't know. Because she's half Araucana, half Silkie. Or is she 3/4? No, 3/4 Araucana. There you are. Dirty face. What have you been up to? Naughty. See, she's got a red comb on top of the beak, whereas Storm, who is a full Araucana, but not laying anymore, only has a pink. She'll turn round. Yeah, a pink comb. She's not laying anymore. She's an old girl. Frankie, Nina, they're all old girls. Whereas you two, you're youngsters actually, they've just started laying. Swell. Tiny eggs. Who's that? Snowdrop, I think. Yeah. Java's the oldest, aren't you, Java? And you, Chicks, are the youngest. What are you, 2 months now? 2 copper Maran, black copper Maran, and 2 Welsummers. There you go. For a tiny tree, that is amazing. I don't know how many pounds I've had of pears. There's loads still coming. Anyway, what I wanted to show you was this little chicken. This is Gwen, who laid the egg a few weeks ago. Hello. She's broody. She's got attitude. Okay. Now, have something to eat. Did you try and pet me then, Chickie? You got a dirty face. Look at your dirty face. You're a clever little girl.